Hello there. Today I'm making my mushroom bolognese. This is another DASH diet with many key ingredients loaded with food nutrients that can help you lower your blood pressure. So a lot of the food ingredients to make this dish contain calcium, magnesium and potassium, three key ingredients that can help you lower your blood pressure. To make this bolognese, I will be needing the following: mushrooms, carrots, celery, garlic, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, soy sauce, preferably the low salt soy sauce would be really good, tomato puree, red wine, and then dried basil, dried marjoram, bay leaf, crushed black pepper, spaghetti to make your mushroom spaghetti bolognese, and fresh basil if you have any to hand. To make this meal, start by cutting up the mushrooms and adding the mushrooms to the food processor. You may need to do this in 2 batches. Pulse until minced, but not too finely. Place a frying pan on medium heat and add a tablespoon of olive oil. Then add the minced mushrooms once the oil is heated. You can then add a pinch of salt, which is optional, and some crushed black pepper. Allow to cook for about 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until it is dry and brown. Once done, transfer the minced mushrooms to a bowl and set aside. While the minced mushroom is cooking, roughly chop up the carrots, onions and celery and add to the food processor. Crush 5 garlics to remove their skins and add this also to the food processor. Then mince properly. Once minced, place the frying pan back on the fire with a dash of olive oil and then transfer the minced vegetables into the pan and cook for another 10 minutes. Until all the vegetables are tender. Once tender, add the tomato puree, the bay leaf, red wine, balsamic vinegar, low salt soy sauce, dried basil and dried marjoram. Allow this to simmer for another 8 to 10 minutes and then add the cooked minced mushrooms to the sauce and mix well and then set aside. Cook the spaghetti following the instructions on the package and serve as shown. If you want to see other DASH diets recipes on this channel, why not click on the screen that has just come up, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.